Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You have the essentials: a device, Wi-Fi, and the info Google asks for. Open accounts. Google. Calm now and tap Create Account. Enter your first and last name. This helps Google tie services together. Once done, pick a username you'll use as you're at Gmail. Calm address, make it simple and unique. Then create a password at least 12 characters long. Mix letters, numbers, and symbols so it's hard to guess. Make sure to store it safely before moving forward. You'll verify who you are next. Enter your phone number and choose SMS or call. Google sends a code you must type back in. This step prevents others from taking your account and enables two-step verification later. After verification, add a recovery email so you can regain access if needed. Then review privacy and personalization options. Toggle what you want synced, which saves time across devices. Once comfortable, confirm the terms and proceed to You're almost done. Sign into Gmail or the Google app using your new username and password, then choose Sync Preferences so bookmarks and history move with you. Enable two-step verification now and store backup codes in a secure place. This prevents lockouts. If you can't sign in, make sure the password is correct, clear browser cache, and retry. If still blocked, use the recovery email or phone verification flow to regain access. One good backup method saves hours later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.